Hi, welcome to this SAP FICO training session. This is an SAP FICO training test based on accounts payable information system. Without any further delay, let's get into it. What does the information system for accounts payable in SAP S/4HANA offer? A robust and extensive solution that can meet the most demanding reporting requirements. What are the categories the accounts payable reports can be grouped into? Master data reports, balance reports, line item reports. What specific configuration do these reports require? None, they should function out of the box. What is the vendor master data in SAP S/4HANA managed using? The business partner concept. What is the vendor master records fully integrated with? All modules. Name 4 master data reports for accounts payable. Vendor list, address list, display changes to vendors, display/confirm critical vendor changes. What does the vendor list report provide? A simple list of all vendor master data. What does the address list report provide? A snapshot of only the vendor addresses. What does the display changes to vendors report provide? The creation and change history of vendors. What does the display changes to vendors report monitor? Vendor master data. What does the display/confirm critical vendor changes app monitor? Changes to sensitive fields such as bank information, changes that are pending. What can you configure certain fields to require in the display/confirm critical changes vendor changes app? Confirmation from additional user when changed. What can the display/confirm critical vendor changes app be ran for? A range of vendor accounts and company codes. Describe the following checkboxes available in the display/confirm critical vendor changes app. Accounts not yet confirmed. When selected, the report will show you vendor accounts that are pending confirmation. Accounts refused. When selected, the report will show you vendor accounts where confirmations were rejected. Account to be confirmed by me. When selected, the report will show you vendor accounts that your user has authorization to confirm. In the accounts payable information system, what do the balance reports provide? Summarized information about payables. What is a balance report for accounts payable? Transaction figures, account balance. What can the transaction figures, account balance report be executed as? A drill down report. What does the transaction figures, account balance report navigate through when executed as a drill down report? Characteristics. Can the transaction figures, account balance report navigate through characteristics if it is not executed as a drill down report? No. What characteristics does the transaction figures, account balance report show you in the header section? Vendor, fiscal year, company code, period. If you don't make any selections in the transaction figures, account balance report, what will the report output be? The values for all characteristics. In the transaction figures, account balance report, what can you display when you click on a characteristic? How can this be leveraged? The selected values, you can make combinations of characteristic values. What can line item reports provide? The most detailed analysis on the document level. Name 4 line item reports for accounts payable. Due date for analysis for open items, list of vendor line items, line item browser, display/change line items. What can the due date analysis for open items report be ran as? What does it provide? A drill down report, a breakdown of payables by due date. How does the due date analysis for open items report break down payables by periods? 0 through 30 days, 31 through 60 days, 61 through 90 days, and so on. In the due date analysis for open items report, what does selecting characteristics such as vendor and country allow you to do? See the specific values of the report based on your selections. What does the list of vendor line items report provide? Information about all accounts payable line items. Describe the following available selections for the list of vendor line items report. Open items. Shows only the open items as of the key date you enter in this field. Cleared items. Shows only the cleared items, paid or otherwise cleared, for example, manually, from within the date range specified. All items. Shows all items that are open and cleared within the date range specified. What are the various options for reviewing the output of the list of vendor line items reports? Report. The data can be displayed, summarized, filtered, or changed. In the list of vendor line items report, what does clicking the change layout button do? Allows you to show hidden fields, hide shown fields. What kind of report is the line item browser report? A line item report. What is the selection criteria for the line item browser report? Company codes, vendors, open items, and/or cleared items. What happens when you click the change layout button in the line item browser report? Allows you to show hidden fields, hide shown fields. How do you drill down into deeper levels of the line item browser report? Double click a document number or vendor account number. What does double clicking a document number or vendor account number to the document display screen to the vendor master record? What kind of report is the display change line items report? A classic line item report. What is the selection criteria for the display/change line items report? Company codes, vendors, open items, and/or cleared items. In the display/change line items report, what are open items marked with? A red light symbol. In the display/change line items report, what are cleared items marked with? A green square. In the display/change line items report, what are overdue items marked with? A red triangle with a white explanation point. In the display/change line items report, what does double clicking a document number allow you to do? Drill down into the document to do further analytics. That concludes this test. Thank you for your time.